What's cooking, guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make dynamite chicken. Basically it is fried chicken that is nice and spicy, that's why it gets the name dynamite, and it is doused in a nice spicy sauce. So keep watching for the recipe, subscribe to my channel so you can join me in my kitchen twice a week, and now let's get cooking. To start with the chicken marination, for that I'm using 2 chicken breasts here that I cut into strips. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You can also use light soy sauce for less sodium. Then I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add in 1 egg that I've already beaten and whisked. I think it makes it easier to mix it this way if you beat it beforehand. Then add in 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, or you can use fresh minced garlic. I have 1 teaspoon of dried oregano here that I'm also adding in, and then salt to your taste. I added about 1 teaspoon, keeping the sodium from the soy sauce in mind. Then mix the marination ingredients with the chicken until the chicken is coated well. You can marinate this for a couple of hours in the fridge. And while my chicken marinates, let's make the spicy dynamite sauce. For that I'm going to be using about half a cup of mayo, but I was eyeballing the amount. Then add some ketchup, and I'm using about 1/4 cup of it. Again, just guesstimating all these amounts. Then add your choice of hot sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of sriracha here, which is not overly spicy but has some nice heat to it. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then black pepper to your taste, and also salt to your taste. Combine all these ingredients well. This sauce is so good, guys. It's such a perfect balance of savory and spicy. You can also make this sauce and put it in a sauce bottle or jar and use it up anytime you want. So once your chicken has been marinating for a couple hours, now you want to add about 1/3 of a cup of flour in here. And I'm also adding in a couple tablespoons of cornstarch to make the chicken crispy when it's fried. Then just mix this with the seasoned chicken, and now this is ready to start frying. In a frying pan, you want to turn on the gas to medium high and heat up some canola oil for frying. Once the oil is hot, you can start adding in your chicken to fry it up. Make sure to not overcrowd the pan so the oil temperature doesn't drop down. And this will fry up in no time, guys, just a couple minutes on each side. Because of the cornstarch, it will get so crispy, and the seasonings, as you already know, have added so much flavor to the chicken. Once it looks golden brown like this, you can take it out on a plate or bowl lined with a paper towel to get rid of excess oil. You want to cook the rest of the chicken in batches like I'm doing here, and anytime it is done cooking on one side, you can flip it over, and once it is nice and golden brown, you can just remove it on the paper towel, as I said before. Guys, I really wanted to test the chicken out for you before I douse it in my dynamite spicy sauce. So here is all of my chicken, and I'm just going to take a little bite of a piece. So look at how nice and golden that looks. It's nice and juicy. You get the crunch from that cornstarch and the flour, the herb flavor from the oregano, and the kick from the chili powder. It's nice and garlicky too. And even though it's chicken breast, it is not dry. It tastes so good. I can't wait to try it with the sauce, but it's so good on its own. That was amazing. So here is my fried chicken, the spicy fried chicken, and the dynamite sauce. And I'm just going to add some of the sauce. I'm not going to use all of it, but you can use however much or less you want to use. It really depends on if you're a sauce person or not. I love sauces, but in this dish I did not want to put too much, just enough to coat all of the chicken like I'm doing here. You can serve this as an appetizer and serve it on a bigger plate, or as a meal with some vegetables or salad on the side, and it's going to be so good. And that's it for my spicy Dynamite chicken, guys. You can see how well seasoned the chicken was, but on top of that we have the next layer of spicy flavors in the Dynamite sauce. I hope you try out this recipe in your kitchen and do let me know how this turned out for you. And don't forget to like this video to show your support on this delicious recipe. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my Dynamite chicken recipe. You can also use shrimp instead of chicken. Just make sure to use a jumbo shrimp so it can really hold the shape together, and the jumbo shrimp is just more meaty. If you enjoyed today's recipe video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate your support and thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next recipe video. Until then, take care of yourselves.